Good morning, everyone. Sri Pankaj ji, Chairman of D.Y. Patil International School, Madam Chairperson, Manoj ji, Principal of the school, and my beautiful, lovely daughters sitting here, staff members, parents, and my dear students. First of all, I would like to thank Pankaj ji and Manoj ji for inviting me to witness this wonderful program. Had I not come here, then I would have missed these tiny tots. And hats off to Pankaj ji, who thought of starting a school in this remote area. Today I have seen the quality of education he is imparting the students who are coming from these areas. This is one of the very toughest and the challenging thing which he has thought of imparting quality education for these students. George Bernard Shaw quoted, "Imagination is the beginning of creation." So we have seen the creativity. Today we are here to celebrate imagination, creativity and self-expression of these tiny tots. Such events make the child forget any inhibition he may have and goes on to become happy, thinking about learning and growing through imagination play. With this fancy dress competition or with this fancy dress events, students, they started thinking creatively, become bold, and develop social skills besides just having fun. This event, a fantastic platform for them to showcase their talent of creativity, imagination, confidence, and talent in a fun and a playful method. The children who were here, we have seen some of the students were not able to speak, but the level of confidence they had, I think just try to remember your own days. हम आप अपने समय का याद करें, क्या इतने छोटे होकर स्टेज पे खड़े हो सकते थे? शायद नहीं। बोलना तो बहुत दूर है। और जब बच्चे ठान लेते हैं कि हमें नहीं बोलना है, कहते हैं ना कि बच्चे भगवान का रूप होते हैं। अगर बच्चों को कहना है कि वो ठान लेके मुझे नहीं बोलना है, तो कोई उनसे कुछ नहीं बुलवा सकता है। अगर बच्चे यहाँ पर आ गए, ये मोर देन सफिशिएंट है। इतनी हिम्मत है बच्चों की। एंड सच टाइप इवेंट दे प्रोवाइड, स्कूल इज देयर to provide such type of platform to showcase the talent. And I request each and every parents that they must encourage the children to participate in all the type of competitions which school organizes. This is for their development. Nowadays only academicians are not required. All-round developed skill person is required. If you see, there are a number of examples you will find. The children who were pure academicians, they may achieve, but not the desired goal. And those who were throughout all-rounder skilled children, they've achieved a lot more. So emphasis should be given for the all-round development of a child. Nowadays that is called holistic education. And I thank to all the parents for your support and encouragement for these children and your efforts to help child prepare for this event. And if you ask me, that though they have given the prize first, second, third, if you ask me, to me, all the children are superstar, each and everyone is the prize winner. But because of some technicalities are there, so judges are there, they have to decide first, second and third. Thank you everyone. I wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. May I now request to wait here for a few seconds only. And I request our Honorable Chairman, sir, to kindly felicitate